Okay, so welcome back to my set review series. Today, we will be learning all about rational inequalities. So, ang solutions ng rational inequalities ay kung paano mo lang din isolve yung linear or quadratic inequality. Ang pinagkaiba lang is that tatanggalin lang natin yung mga numbers na makakapagpa-zero sa denominator. Okay, so lagay natin yan dito. Remove solutions, no? Or critical numbers that will make the denominator 0. Okay? Kasi syempre, ayaw natin magkaroon ng 0 sa denominator. So, let's do an example. So, let's do a simple one. Let's say 3x minus 9 all over x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So, una natin gawin dito is that kunin natin yung critical numbers, no? Critical numbers. Paano natin kukunin yung critical numbers? Again, titignan lang natin yung mga makakapagpa-zero sa either numerator or denominator. So, tignan natin yung makakapagpa-zero dito at saka dito. Dun sa denominator, it's very obvious na yung makakapagpa-zero sa denominator ay negative 2. Tama? And sa numerator ay 3. Okay? So, kung medyo nalilito kayo kung paano kunin yon, basically, i-equate mo lang sa 0 yung numerator and denominator. So, let's say 3x minus 9 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 3. So, yan na yung critical number. Then, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 2. And yan na yung critical number. Okay? So, ngayon, ang gawin na lang natin is that gamitin natin yung tutunan natin sa quadratic inequalities. Gamitin natin yung interval method. Okay? So, interval method, meron kang number line, tama? Mahati siya into 3 regions. So, negative 2 dito, dito 3. So, region 1, region 2, and region 3. So, mag-test tayo sa region 1. So, let's say x is equal to negative 3. So, plug in lang natin yung value. 3 times negative 3 minus 9 all over negative 3 plus 2. Negative 9 minus 9 all over negative 1, that will be 18. So, it is positive. Okay? So, meaning, yung part na to ng solution ay included. Okay? So, let's test region 2. So, any number between negative 2 and 3. So, let's say just x is equal to 0, no? 3 times 0 minus 9 all over 0 plus 2. This will be negative 9 all over 2. And ito ay negative. Meaning, hindi kasama itong region na to sa ating solution. And last region is yung region 3. So, let's say any number greater than 3. Let's say x is equal to 4. So, 3 times 4 minus 9 all over 4 plus 2. Ito ay equal sa 12 minus 9, 3 all over 6. This will be 1/2 and this is positive. Meaning, yung region 3 ay kasama sa ating solution. Okay? So, i-combine lang natin yung sagot natin. So, that will be negative infinity to negative 2 union 3 to positive infinity. Okay? So, let's just write that down. Negative infinity to negative 2 union 3 to positive infinity. So, nagtataka kayo, bakit yung negative 2 dito ay parentheses at hindi square brackets, pero yung 3 dito square brackets? So, kasi, kailangan hindi kasama yung negative 2 kasi, kundi magiging 0 yung denominator natin dito. Pero, kasama yung 3 kasi wala namang problem kung yung numerator dito ay maging 0 dahil greater than or equal to 0 naman yung inequality natin. So, let's do another example. Medyo mas mahirap-hirap naman, no? So, let's say x squared minus 1 times x squared minus 5x plus 6 all over x squared minus x minus 2 should be less than 0, no? So, pagka ganito, nakakatakot, no? Kasi puro may squared, squared, squared. Pero huwag kayo matakot. Ang gawin nyo lang is i-factor nyo lang yung mga kaya nyo i-factor. So, x squared minus 1, ay x plus 1 times x minus 1. Tama? Yung x squared minus 5x plus 6 ay x minus 3 and x minus 2. Okay? And then yung x squared minus x minus 2 ay x plus 1 times x minus 2. Okay? Less than 0. Now we can cancel common terms sa numerator and denominator. Tama? So, cancel lang natin x plus 1, cancel natin yung x minus 2. So, we are now left with x minus 1 and x minus 3. So, x minus 1 times x minus 3 is less than 0. So, now we get yung critical numbers. So, again, kung anong makakapagpa-0 dito. So, that will be x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Okay? So, ngayon, mag-interval method tayo ulit. So, gawa lang tayo number line. So, kung medyo sanay na kayo, pwede na kayong hindi gumawa ng number line, no? So, this will divide the region into 1, 2, and 3 regions. So, mag-test na tayo. So, from region 1, let's test x is equal to 0. Anything less than 1. So, x minus 1 times x minus 3. So, that's 0 minus 1 times 0 minus 3. And this is 3, no? And it is positive. So, meaning, hindi kasama tong region na to sa ating solution. So, sa second region, let's say x is equal to 2, no? So, this will be 2 minus 1 times 2 minus 3. This will be equal to negative 1. So, this is negative and meaning kasama tong region na to sa ating solution. Third is anything greater than 3. So, x is equal to 4, no? Huwag na tayo lumayo. So, this is 4 minus 1 times 4 minus 3. And this will be equal to 3. And ito ay positive. So, hindi kasama tong third region na to sa ating solution. So, isulat na lang natin yung solution natin ngayon. So, ang sagot natin ay yung nasa gitna lang ng 1 and 3. So, that will be 1 and 3. Okay? Pero may problema tayo dito sa ating sagot na to, no? Hindi pa ito yung tamang sagot, okay? This is not yet the correct answer. Bakit? So, may nakakaligtaan tayo. Dito, nung nag-simplify tayo, kinancel natin yung x plus 1 and x minus 2. And actually, sila ay nakakapagpa-0 sa denominator kapag ka x is equal to negative 1 or 2. Tama? Nagkataon na yung sagot natin dito, yung interval na 1 to 3, hindi kasama yung negative 1. Tama? So, hindi niya mapapa-0 yung denominator. Pero, nakasama niya yung 2, no? Na makakapagpa-0 ng denominator. So, we always take into consideration yung original natin na fraction or rational na inequality. Okay? Hindi yung simplified, no? So, we take the original, okay? So, kailangan natin gawin ngayon, tanggalin yung 2 para hindi maging 0 yung denominator. So, yung talagang answer natin dito ay 1 and 3 na excluding 2. Okay? 1 and 3 excluding 2. So, today, natutunan natin kung paano mag-solve ng rational inequalities. So, i-simplify lang natin, then kunin natin yung mga critical numbers, and then gamitin natin yung interval method, no? And after that, yung sagot na makukuha natin, i-cross-check natin do sa original natin na rational inequality to check kung yung sagot ba natin may nakakapagpa-0 doon sa denominator. Kung meron, we remove that. Kung hindi, yun na yung sagot natin. Okay? So I hope to see you again next time.